Kumsi benta ban Pynithynnad iki building Sorkar Lyngba ka project Donate a Wall. Kabla penyat daka ST Plus Art India, Ryngkat ka jinga tray lang ka Asian Paints, bat kabla yo jingkershan na ka tenat textiles joko Sorkar jela, haga kendai tari unai luar araja arpusau, menteri beri kmi ya ka tenat textiles, ubak pol lingdo ula plat-pat ba ya ka jingdrodur, kabla draw ka Kynroh joko Ophis tray kam ka Directorate of Sericulture and Weaving, kabadan halachumia. Hakani kasngi nalor menteri layadan langru daupa FR Kyrwoh Principal Secretary Ketenat Textile, ka Director Ketenat Sericulture and Weaving ka CB Sangma nalor kiwei. Ya kani gajing draw lapan wandur dau Sidhat Gohil, hakadur jong kawai kalong kami kabalang Tanjan, kabapan i gajing long tenrai beruspa jong ka jala Meghalaya, kabalapan ya so ya ki dur bejeliu bat ki buit tenrai ki balong kum ki jing penpau, balak ban yo i jong ka culture, bat ka history jong ka tan. Haba ajing kerana kini kesngi ubak poling do uloong. Bal Lyngba kini kijing draw kiba andang yai beteng nang ni sekman. Kapan i baka jala Meghalaya kam day tang baka kerpang. Henry kapan iru baki brio ki dan benta ban pen ipu iping yaka.
This is our office. This is our building. This is our bread and butter that is yet to sink very deeply. So with such more such murals coming up, I think the textiles department has really come of age, and we are ready to show to the rest of the world that Meghalaya is not only God's gift, but man has also contributed his bit to make the place, to make our state more scenic, more beautiful, more eye-catching. If you look at the nature around us, just the trees around us, the colors that you see, those are God's gift to us. So we should ask ourselves, what do we return? What do we have to give in return for what God has gifted us? And I think it's very clear. Make our city more colorful, make our city more aesthetically appealing, and if a simple urn can move John Keats to write his ode to a Grecian urn, why not the beauty that we see around us? And with the right leadership and the right team in place, we can take and should be able to take this state of ours forward to where the rest of the world has reached.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam mangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habatiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka batau bha kam kta ka dur jing ki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka kia ka nutrition ba kam bha ka jing im ba kam bha pendon kam daki mar bam don ka sharp plus F menta kasni
lawan ra shapi Lyngba ko office jong commissionerate of food safety Meghalaya.